Hey guys, welcome back to Ally Can Cook featuring Mama McManus.
Hi, I'm Mama McManus.
And I'm Ally, and on today's episode of Ally Can Cook, we are showing you guys how I make my daily energy boosting spirulina smoothie.
Yes.
Which is delicious. I honestly have this for breakfast every single morning. It's my favorite thing to start my day with. It gives me energy. I get my protein from it, iron, calcium. Spirulina, in case you guys don't know, is a superfood. It's great at helping aid with your digestion. It also gives you energy. I kind of joke to my friends about how I've replaced my morning coffee with my morning spirulina smoothie because it makes me feel awesome when I have it, and I've never...
Superman.
And it really, really does help with your digestion. This is the spirulina brand that I got. I actually picked this up when we were at the yoga conference in Toronto. So far, I've really been enjoying it, and I would recommend it. It's not too expensive compared to other spirulina brands out there, and it's still a good quality of spirulina. So definitely, if you're looking on adding spirulina into your diet, check this one out. Probably find it at like your local nutrition store. You can't taste it, so don't worry about tasting it. It does affect the color of your smoothies though. So it makes it usually like a dark purple, depending on how much you use. But you don't taste it like at all. It's amazing. Especially if you're used to making green smoothies, you won't mind it at all. The second thing you're gonna see that we add into our smoothies, aside from fruits, is a B12 pill complex. I usually will just add my B12 into my smoothie in the morning because I'm not eating meat anymore, and my doctor recommended for me that B12, and I think for a lot of vegetarians and vegans out there, they recommend that you take a B12 supplement. Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome.
Just to help again with making you feel energized, not as sleepy. I used to be super, super tired. So I take B12 now, and it helped with that.
Yep, very important.
Yeah, but overall the smoothie is really, really simple to make. We hope you guys enjoy the video, and if you want to see how we make our spirulina smoothie, keep watching. Alright, we're back. So as you can see, so simple to make, just a few ingredients. You'll notice there that we put the B12 in after we blended it the first time. To be honest, you can just add it in with the fruit. We just forgot, so I added it in quickly at the end. But yeah, that's how I make my morning smoothie. I have it every single day. The banana, I find, really helps add creaminess into my smoothies without having to add a yogurt or an almond milk.
When you put your bananas in the freezer, make sure you peel them first, because otherwise it's just a hassle trying to get that frozen peel off a banana.
Yeah, because you don't want to be peeling a frozen banana. It's not fun. Anyways, we hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. We hope you try out the Spirulina Energy Smoothie and let us know what you think. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe. We make new videos every single Thursday, and we'll see you guys next week. Bye guys.
Bye guys.